These are all the components we need to assemble the Adeept 6-leg spider robot kit. First, we need to peel off the protective film on the surface of all acrylic sheets. Connect Adeept ultrasonic module, Adeept passive buzzer module, etc. with female-to-female cable and male-to-female cable. Fix 4 M3 multiple 6 copper standoffs on AO1. Install the M3 multiple 6 copper standoffs on the side mount with logo on AO1. Fix 6 M2 multiple 8 screws on AO1. Fix 2 M3 multiple 10 countersunk head screws on 18650 multiple 2 battery holder B. The 18650 multiple 2 battery holder B wiring is not installed with connector. It should be connected at the end of AO1. Fix 6 M3 multiple 40 copper standoff on AO1. Fix the Adeept UNO R3 on M3 multiple 6 copper standoff. Plug Adeept 32 channel PWM drive in Adeept UNO R3. Install a servo on AO1. 2 battery holder and a deep 32-channel PWM drive board. Connect the wiring of the servo with the port PWM15 on a deep 32-channel PWM drive. The color of the servo wire corresponds to the color of the port. Insert the NRF24L01 into the P2 of a deep 32-channel PWM drive. Check whether the switch is in the off position and the Adeept 32-channel PWM drive flush with the Adeept UNO are free. Check whether there is any contact between Adeept 32-channel PWM drive and Adeept UNO are free. It may cause an electrical short circuit if they are in contact. Insert the 18650 battery into the battery compartment. Take one of the rocker arm of the servo. Switch on the Adeept 32-channel PWM drive. Wait for the servo to rotate to the initial position, and then insert the rocker arm into the servo according to the angle shown in the figure. Then turn off the power. Do not remove the rocker arm from the servo during the subsequent installation process. Otherwise, the servo needs to be re-debugged. If the SCL pin, SDA pin, A4 pin and A5 pin on the driver board are not connected well, the rocker arms of some servos may rotate randomly when the power is turned on. That is because the metal pin of the driver board is thin and soft, and there is a misalignment with the metal piece in the UNO port. To solve the problem, we can manually move these pins by hand. Pull these pins out at a certain small angle, and then plug them back into the UNO. If it still doesn't work after turning on the power, repeat the steps above. Fix a deep ultrasonic module on A08. Buckled A08 into the groove of A07. Fix A09 with A07. Fix A07 with servo and rocker arm. When installing, fix the M2.5 multiple 8 screw to the servo first. Then fix the self-tapping screw package with the servo to the rocker arm to avoid the rocker arm falling off from the servo during installation. Fix the servo with the A04, assemble 3 steps. Pay attention to the installation direction as in the figure. Fix the servo with A03, assemble 3 sets. Pay attention to the installation direction as in the figure. Fix AO3 with AO4. Assemble 3 sets. Define the component completed in this step as component C1. Fix the servo with AO6. Assemble 3 sets. Pay attention to the installation direction as in the figure. Define the component completed in this step as component D1. Take one C1 and one D1. Connect the wiring of the servo on the component C1 and D1 to PWM15, PWM14, and PWM13 respectively. The 3 servos and the 3 ports can be connected randomly, but the color of the servo wire should correspond to the color of the port, so as to avoid the servo burning out. When the servo is connected to the Adeept 32-channel PWM drive, turn on the power and wait for the servo to turn to the initial position and then continue to the next step. Install the rocker arm on the servo respectively in the position shown in the figure. After the 3 rocker arms are installed, turn off the power and unplug the servo wire from the Adeept 32-channel PWM drive. Do not remove the rocker arm from the servo in the subsequent installation process. Otherwise, you need to repeat the steps above to complete the installation of the rocker arm. Connect C1 and D1 with AO5. Connect the other 2 C1 and 2 D1, then we finish the assembly of 3 right feet. Install the 3 right feet on AO1 respectively. Fix the servo with AO4, assemble 3 sets, Pay attention to the installation direction as in the figure. Fix the servo with AO3 assemble free sets. Pay attention to the installation direction as in the figure. Fix AO3 with AO4. Assemble free sets. Define the component completed in this step as component C2. Fix the servo with AO6. Assemble free sets. Pay attention to the installation direction as in the figure. Define the component completed in this step as component D2. Take one C2 and one D2. Connect the wiring of the servo on the component C2 and D2 to PWM15, PWM14, and PWM13 respectively. Install the rocker arm on the servo respectively in the position shown in the figure. After the three rocker arms are installed, turn off the power and unplug the servo wire from the Adeept 32-channel PWM drive. Do not remove the rocker arm from the servo in the subsequent installation process. Connect C2 and D2 with AO5. Connect the other two C2 and two D2. Then we finish the assembly of free left feet. Install the free left feet on AO1 respectively. buzzer module and Adeept photoresistor module on AO1 respectively. Adeept RGB LED module on AO2. Fix AO2 with M3 multiple 40 copper standoff on AO1. AO4 should be passed through the small hole on AO2. If you choose Bluetooth communication, you need to remove the NRF24L01 and insert the Adeept Bluetooth module into P3 of the Adeept 32-channel PWM drive. Connect the circuit as shown in the figure. Use the winding pipe to unclutter the wires for better appearance. Assemble the remote controller. Fix the 18650 multiple tube battery holder A and Adeept remote control shield. The wires of the 18650 multiple tube battery holder is on the outside. Do not place them between the battery holder and the remote control shield to prevent them from being damaged by the metal on the shield and cause an electrical short circuit. Plug Arduino Nano in Adeept remote control shield. Pay attention to the direction of the Arduino Nano. Do not reverse it. Plug NRF24L01 in the P4 of Adeept remote control shield.